Hello Gemini, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star Star Star. So Gemini, this is your reading for the month of February 2021 and this is a general reading Gemini, so please take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa and time is fluid, okay? Alright Gemini, before we proceed, let me tell you that of course, also I would appreciate if you would hit like, share and subscribe and comment down below. Right. So before we proceed, let me tell you that I am starting a series. Okay, some of you may be already aware, and this is what I'm going to run once in a month for all the zodiac signs. Okay, and this is about who is coming towards you. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do for every single zodiac sign, Gemini. Okay, and what you will find in this reading is, you know, what is the current energy of the person who is coming towards you, Gemini. Okay, then next we'll see what are their behavioral attributes. Then third we will see what are the physical attributes of the person who is coming towards you. So when I say physical attributes, okay, I mean like what is their height, what is their skin color, what is their what is their eye color, what kind of hairstyles they prefer, or what is the clothing they prefer. So we'll see what are the physical attributes of this person, okay, the likely profession of this person, right? And then we'll take advice from this deck. Okay, it is the oracle card, and it's the energy oracle card deck. Okay, so we'll pull out one single card from this deck and it will be an advice for you people regarding the person who is coming towards you. Okay, all right Gemini, let's get started. Spirits, tell me who is coming towards Gemini. 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 Who is coming towards Gemini, spirits? Right, so I'm going to pull three cards, okay, and these three cards will be for what are their current energies, what is the current energy of the person who is coming towards you. So we have Star, the Wheel, and Three of Pentacles. Right, so out of three cards we have two major arcanas, so definitely something major is going on in this person's life. Right, so if we have to talk about the zodiac signs, this person has some really strong earth placements, Gemini. So this person may be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I also see this person is this person may be an Aquarius. I also sense that this person may be a Scorpio, because I sense that there is some sort of a transformation, there is some sort of a change that is going on in this person's life. Okay, so I believe that some of them may also be a Scorpio. They may be having scorpionic placements in their chart, right? Okay, so what is the current energy of this person? This person is focused on their work. This person is focused on their money as of now. Okay, I believe that recently this person has been awarded or rewarded for their work, for their contribution. They may have received some sort of an appreciation from their employer, or they may have received an appreciation from their clients, from their customer, and this person is feeling very proud about what they have done. Okay, so there is a sense of achievement that is going on. Okay, and that sense of achievement is driving them more to do better. Okay, that's what I'm feeling. So this person is a bit ambitious. This person is focused on their work right now. This person is focused on how they can do things in a much better manner. Overall, what I see is a very positive energy. Okay, a very, very positive person, a person who has a lot of futuristic outlook. They have a very big vision, okay, and they work in that direction. The most important thing is they work in that direction. Okay, so this person is not all just talk, wolf, and sheep. Okay, so this person is someone who is very much action oriented. This person likes to prove their worth by taking the required action. Okay, so they don't just keep on talking. Okay, this person is a very high achiever, that's what I'm getting. And Gemini, let me tell you, I believe that this person is someone who is new. I am not getting vibes of the old person, but a very interesting personality, whosoever is coming towards you. Okay, someone really, really positive soul and something that you really need in your life. Okay, this is something or someone that you really need in your life, Gemini. Okay, we always keep on wanting to have positive people. Okay, we always keep on craving for positivity in and around us. Okay, and how this positivity can come, okay, it will come through other positive people, right? So this person is coming across as a very optimistic, very positive, very enthusiastic. Okay, someone who is very hardworking, and this person is right now busy working with their team, or with couple of people. They are taking care of certain projects in their life. This person may be having responsibility of their family on them. For some of them, I believe that this person is married or divorced. Okay, but they have the responsibility of their kids, and they have some really, their financial status is very good. Okay, but this person is not someone who will stop just because they are doing good right now. This person wants to do more. Okay, this person wants to contribute more. This person wants to bring a lot of changes. They have some really big vision in their life. Okay, I love such kind of person. I love such kind of people, to be very honest. I really love such kind of people. Okay, I am always like, I want to surround myself with good quality people. At least that is the aim of my life. And you are quite lucky that you're going to encounter this person, Gemini. This person probably they have a connection with the spirit world. Okay, so this person keeps on interacting with the spirit world intermittently. That's what I'm getting, especially with the star card. Okay, they keep on interacting, especially with their ancestors. That's what I'm getting, their passed on ones. Okay, so this person, they have some psychic abilities. This person has some really strong Pisces and Aquarius placements. Okay, some really strong Neptune placements in their chart. Okay, they may be having a Neptune in their ninth house, right? Okay, so what are the behavioral attributes? Okay, what are the behavioral attributes of this person, whosoever is coming towards Gemini? What are the behavioral attributes of the person who is coming towards Gemini? This person is missing someone right now. Okay, they are missing someone. Probably they are missing who has passed away. Okay, they are missing the person who has passed away, and whosoever has passed away, okay, that person had a very great impact on this person who is coming towards you. Okay, so it may be their parent, or it may be someone near and dear ones. Okay, that whosoever has passed away, they really had a very, very big positive impact on your person who's coming towards you. Right, so behavioral attributes, we have we have Chariot. Chariot represents Cancer. Hanged Man, wow, so many major arcanas, and Seven of Cups. I told you, right? This person may be having some Pisces placements. We have Hanged Man over here. Behavioral attributes is, this person is a go-getter. Okay, this person is a go-getter, and nothing and no one can stop them. Okay, if they decide on something, they will make sure that they achieve that. Okay, but they will take some time to decide. Okay, before making some decision, they take their time, they do the required research, they see what are the options in their hand, and then what is the best option, then they decide accordingly. Okay, but this person is coming across as who is quite practical, who is logical. But having said so, I don't see that they don't consider their emotional side. Okay, this person in fact has a lot of water placements also. Okay, and in Aquarius as a kind of a sign, with the star card, I see that they may be having Aquarius placements. Okay, so Aquarius is also somewhat more or less like a Pisces and a Cancer, more or less like a a water sign. So it's a combination of intellect, and it's a combination of also emotions. Okay, so there is a lot of emotions, uh, you know that run deep, but they don't show their emotions to the outside world. Okay, very less number of people are privy to the inner world of this person. Okay, they are very ambitious. They are like, they like to accept challenges. They like to be like, okay, I've conquered this one, now what is next? I have conquered this one as well, now what is next? Okay, so they are someone, maybe a boss kind of a person, a CEO kind of a person. But I also see, if that is not the case, then this person may be someone who is very enthusiastic, very energetic person. Okay, with a lot of passion, and with a lot of positive outlook towards life. And they are like, they want to do multiple things in their life. Okay, they have like multiple goals in their life, and very energetic and a very enthusiastic and a passionate person. Okay, they like to take an if they are confused, if they are stuck between different options, and it is becoming difficult for them to take a decision, then they always like to think out of the box. Okay, they like to think out of the box to arrive at any kind of at any kind of a conclusion or a decision. Okay, this person is, in fact, this person is very romantic at heart. Okay, let me tell you that, very very romantic at heart. But they are, probably this person has gone through a lot in the past, especially during their teens years, or somewhere in their 20s. As of now, the age looks between 35 to 40 or 35 to 45 of this person. Okay, and so in their 20s, okay, or when they were like 15 to 20 or 20 to 30, this person has gone through a lot. Okay, and this person has transformed themselves out of the predicaments that they have gone through. Okay, so they considered the problems in their life as an opportunity to transform themselves, right? But they have a lot of wisdom. Okay, they have a lot of wisdom at this age. Okay, the kind of wisdom they have right now is equivalent to a person who is of the age of 65 or 70. Okay, very 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 positive person. I'm really liking this person. Right, so what are the physical characteristics of this person who is coming towards Gemini? What are the physical characteristics of the person who is coming towards Gemini? What are the physical characteristics of the person who is coming towards Gemini? What are the physical characteristics of the person who is coming towards Gemini? This person may also be traveling a lot for work reasons. Okay, and they love traveling. Traveling is their passion. Okay, this person may be related to technology side. This person may be into technology. This person may be doing something that is online, something related to manufacturing industry, technology industry, software hardware industry. Okay, but I see that this person is comes from a technical background, maybe an engineer or something like that. Okay, or a researcher. Okay, this person is a researcher or something. Okay, but very sure they keep on traveling for their work. Okay, right, so we'll pull out 6 cards for physical attributes. We have Queen of Cups, then we have Knight of Swords, then we have 6 of Cups, 8 of Wands. For some of you, this person has kids. Okay, this person is already married but divorced. 4 of Pentacles, 2 of Pentacles. Right, so monetarily I see that this person is doing really good, first of all. And professionally, career wise, this person is good. uh, if I have to talk about the height of this person is somewhere between 5'7" to 5'11", okay. And if it's a male, then they are very sturdy thighs, sturdy hands, okay, maybe having muscular hands and thighs, okay. If it's a female, she's a very slender, delicate female, okay. But the female is tall. The female is also somewhere between 5'7" to 5'11", okay. And uh, skin color is mostly dark or a wheatish, okay. Skin color is somewhere dark or wheatish. And this person may be a past life soulmate of yours, okay. You people had some sort of a tie. You people had some sort of a deal in the past life that you're going to meet again in this lifetime, okay. If it's a female, she likes to wear a lot of accessories, okay. She likes to wear earrings, she likes to wear bracelets and all. Then she may be having some fancy purse. Dressing is very fancy and very colorful. She likes to wear off shoulders or sleeveless a lot, okay. And if it's a male, they like to remain very casual, so they like to wear shorts or jeans, okay. And if I have to talk about hair, yes, this person may have colored their hair. If it's a male, I think so they have short hair only. But if it's a female, she's having long hair, okay. And both of them, they may have colored their hair, but they are particular about their hairstyles, okay. They may have colored their hair, they may not have colored their hair, but they make sure that their hair looks good, okay. So they are very I'll not say conscious about their look, okay, but they ensure that their dressing is attractive, okay. And this person is someone who likes adventurous activities, maybe hiking and going on the long road trips. Or this person is particular about their fitness, okay. This person maybe into running and jogging every day morning, okay. This person loves pets a lot. As far as facial features are concerned, I see that for females, the jawline is very delicate. The overall look of a female is very delicate, okay. Her neck is also very long and delicate neck, okay. For males, they have round face, okay, but their face is very attractive, very very attractive face. And very attractive face, and their eyes are very very attractive. Eyes probably is the best feature in their entire facial features, okay. This person, you people will have very intense chemistry, okay. Especially your bedtime stories will be really good, Gemini, okay. So you people will have really really intense chemistry. And very passionate person, very very passionate person, okay. So they will make sure that you enjoy their company, okay, not just in the bedroom but otherwise also. This person comes across as witty, okay, of someone who is good at yeah, with that 8 of Wands, this person is someone who is really good at communication skills, okay. And they like to have collection of shoes, they like to have collection of watches, okay. This person may be having some birds as their pets, okay. This person likes traveling the world, by the way. They love traveling, like anything. uh, their arms are very, uh, very, what shall I say, there is absolutely no fat on their arms. If it's a female, like, have you seen Priyanka Chopra arms? She has one of the best arms, probably, okay. She has really really awesome arms, like amazing. And for males, yes, of course, they have those bulked up muscular arms, okay. And yeah, so So let's see what's the advice regarding this person who is coming towards Gemini. Where you're gonna meet this person is most likely at a workplace, because I see a lot of pentacle energy over here. Okay, so it may be at a workplace, it may be while you are traveling, because this person loves traveling. Okay, right. So what is the advice? Wow. Financial constraints, contract, and broken heart. So what I'm getting is basically this person is going to enter in your life to bring a massive change. Wheel of Fortune. Okay, to bring a massive change in your life, Gemini. Okay, so if you're having financial constraints, if you're having a broken heart, okay, if you're feeling bound to someone, okay, with that contract card, I believe that this person is going to come in your life to heal you. The main purpose in their life is the main purpose of you people coming together, okay, is to heal you, especially with that Queen of Cups. That's the kind of an energy I'm getting. Okay, the main purpose why they are entering in your life is they are going to heal you a lot. Okay, and then they are going to bring you back on the track. Okay, all right, Gemini, I hope this resonates. Please hit like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below. Till then, bye.